the bouncing bubble in the letter B video?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Look at it bounce. Well, I promised that I would teach you how to make a bouncing bubble of your own. And you can do this at home. It's very, very simple. So first you need to start with the ingredients and the supplies that you need for this science experiment. You need Dawn dish soap, magic solution, which is actually just warm water, but you have to add your magic touch to it. We have a clear container for mixing. We have cotton gloves. Now you need the cotton gloves. They are the key to making the bubble bounce, and you wear them on your hands.
If they get on your skin, it will pop.
Yes, remember in my Bubble Bee video, when I put the bubble on my skin, it popped. But these cotton gloves make it have the magic touch so you can bounce it. Great job. We have bubble blowers. You can get these from any kit that you have. And then you need a measuring cup. Now, it doesn't matter what measuring cup you use, but you can only use one, and it has to be the same one. If you don't have a measuring cup at home, you can use what?
Cup.
A cup or a little bowl. Here, Lucy, show us the little bowl. As long as it's the same size throughout the entire experiment. So let me show you. I'm going to use this measuring cup, and I'm going to put all the other ones away. This is 1/4 a cup. I'm going to use it for the whole experiment. Now, we're going to make a dilution ratio 1:3. Can everyone say that? 1:3. See these little dots? You say the word 2. 1, 2, 3. That means I'm going to have 1 part solution to 3 parts water. So I'm going to add. So 1 part plus 3 part equals 4 parts total. So we're going to have 4 parts, but only 1 part is going to be the solution, and 3 parts is going to be water. Got it? You got it. All right, let's do this magic. Are you ready, my friends? I remember during the Bubble Bee video, I couldn't wait to show you guys this. All my magical learners, are you magical? Me too. So let's make some magic. All right, so we're gonna use this measuring cup. So if you're doing the experiment with us, you can get your cup or measuring cup.
Your gloves.
And your gloves. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna first add 1 part solution. So the 1 part is the Dawn. So can you fill this all the way to the top, please?
Yes.
So we're filling our Dawn soap. You got it? Yep. Change the grip all the way to the top.
If it hurts, just fix the grip.
All right, good job. And I'm going to show you this before Madeline puts it in. All right.
How don't you put it in?
You're going to do the next magical solution. All right, pour it in.
It's blue.
It's blue. I love the color blue.
When you put it in a black container, you can't see the color.
All right, yeah, we couldn't see it through this because it's black.
Yeah, if you can't see the color.
Right, but this is clear. Oh, are you ready to do the next part?
I want to do the soap.
You know what? We'll make another solution. Here's the special magic water for you. Are you ready? This, what do we call this? Magic solution?
Yes.
It's really warm water. Are you ready? All right. Oh, how many parts do we need? 3. Hold on. Let's look at our board. We did 1 part solution. Now we need 3 parts magic solution water right here. We got to measure it. Ready? Get it all the way to the top. Nice and even. 1. Spill it all out.
Why don't you do it, Mike?
It's
getting even higher.
It is.
When I put in the soap, it was low. And when you add like 2 cups of water, it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
All right, so we have 2 parts of water. This is our last part. Great. Get it all out. Excellent, everybody. Good work.
See, it got bigger.
It did get bigger. Oh, we're going to put the cover on that. All right, now I'm going to mix it up. So it will not spill. So I'm going to mix this up.
Mom, please I mix it?
Sure, give it a good mix. I am so excited about this bouncing bubble. I hope you can make one at home too. I'm excited. So just watch what we do and you can make one. 1 minute, okay? You can make one at home too. So make sure you get your cotton gloves on. These aren't, I don't think these will work as well because they're fuzzy.
And these ones are not.
Yeah, these ones aren't. They're the cotton gloves. Can I see one for a minute, sweetheart?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
All right, so you're gonna wear this one. This is a cotton glove, and they're usually worn in the winter time. They're just a thin cotton glove that you could use. Maybe you have something else cotton that you could wrap around your hand, or you have maybe even like a little cotton blanket you could try. I haven't tried that, but as long as it's cotton, it should work. All right, let's put this down, Lucy.
Excuse me?
Hold on 1 second, okay? Now, I'm going to get my cotton glove on and show you. Oh, blow another one in my hand. Oh, almost. Try again. Oh, I need one again. Get your biggest bubble in my hand. Again. All right, ready, everyone? Woo! Can I use that for 1 minute? Let's see. Oh, thank you. All right. They keep popping on us. We did a 1-to-3 ratio. Let's try again.
Oh, has to be gentle.
Very gentle and slow.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
If you just want to bounce it with one glove, that's okay. If you want to juggle, you can put 2 gloves.
Yeah, you could. We have just enough gloves for all of us to try it. Ooh. Sometimes this takes a while. We can do it.
Can I please do one?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, you got one. Oh, I have one. Let's try again. Go ahead, bounce them. Woo! All right. Oh my
Guess
goodness.
what? We got another experience for you. We got, I think, 2 more.
Oh, we have a lot.
Yeah, this was our first one. We got 2 more experiments. It's going to be, I bet, gummy bears?
You want to make gummy bears?
Oh, yes.
Maybe. That would be fun. All right, ready, Madeline? Almost.
Oh, it touched my skin. Don't let it touch your skin.
Oh,
See
there we go. Oh, I got 1 bounce out of it. Here you go.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course. All right, let me give you each a bounce. Let me mix this again. All right, ready?
Well, that's
Oh, the key to the bouncing bubble is that you go very gently, and it takes a couple of times to try it. Oh, man. Let me try the back of my hand.
I want to try the back of my hand. Look!
Ooh. Ready?
Mama, watch
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Watch
You
this.
got it. You got it. Oh, yeah.
Mama,
Let's
watch
see.
This. Watch this, Mommy.
Let's see.
Oh,
We have bubbles everywhere
Mom,
today.
watch this. Mommy.
Let me see.
Watch.
Can you blow them onto us? Blow them onto our table. Oh. There it is. We did it. We did it.
Mom, look.
I love it.
Popped.
Oh, mine's not working. My glove. Or my bubbles. Let's see. I'm going to do a really slow one. I find if you let your bubble mixture sit for a while, so see how this is really bubbly because we've been mixing a lot? If you let it sit for a little while, it seems to work a little bit better. It kind of settles in to the solution. Yeah. So let's try. This one's been sitting for a while, but it's the same exact solution. It's a 1-to-3 ratio. Ooh.
Don't want. Well, sometimes it can pop if it touches your fingertips. Sometimes you want your fingertips close.
There it is.
Oh, can I try?
Yeah, I'm gonna pass it to you. Ready? Woo! Yay! Here I go. Pass it to me. Ready?
Oh, so close.
Let's do one more.
Pass it to me.
See, this mixture is really good. It's been sitting for a while.
Pass it to me now?
Yep. So you can make this and let it sit in your house. Wow. Go ahead, Luce. Let Lucy get it. Oh, ready? You want one? Oh, wrong mixture. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining us for Bouncing Bubbles with the letter B. We'll see you next time for more science, art, reading, writing, math, and more. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Whoa. Oh my god.
Get it lower, get it lower.
Oh! Get it, Mom!
I always seem to pop them. I don't know. Bye.